Once again, back here at Huntsville, it's the Huntsville Hamfest. Today we're talking about the commercial vendors. Stick around. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. This is stop number 3 on the HamShack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Second year those guys have been a partner of the channel, and as they've been continuing, they've been a continuing supporter of this channel since inception. We appreciate their support of HamShack TV. All right, let's take a look at the commercial section. All right, so Doc Ballard's here again. 55YI, real potable antennas.
It'll be very compact, it'll be very small. Yeah. But it'll be something that you could like clamp on your mast or something.
Fantastic. HamShack Radio is in the house, of course. VHQ Hex, this thing has followed me around the country, and you know why I know? Haha. It's been there since Orlando. Gold Medal Ideas, they've been doing great. They've helped me with a project before. Certainly appreciate Gold Medal Ideas. Visit them online, goldmedalideas.com. You've got the Hamfest information booth right there, the prize booth, all that kind of stuff. On this side, we've got Icom, and Icom also has, I've showed you all before, the Icom ID 5200. This is the first time I've actually touched it. Oh, wow. What a change. This is available for you to order now through Gigaparts. Remember to use coupon code HamShackTV. That'll get you 10% off, or not 10% off, sorry, double rewards points. I wish I could give you 10% off. But there you go. Really cool radio. It's going to be interesting to see when it comes out. PW2. I'd love to have me a PW2. Dayton Hamvention. That was the second stop on the HamShack TV Hamfest Tour. And for the third year of the HamShack TV Hamfest Tour, we are coming back to Orlando. Orlando Hamcation's in the house. Got Low Mesh. Low Mesh has been quite popular as of late in the mesh networking space. You've got Mesh Core and Meshtastic available on these devices. Really great stuff. Squared Power Solutions. Rocket Machine Work. Comet. I've got a Comet on my truck. That's what I run my VHF UHF with. Master Amp with all your guying and support needs. Circle back around here. We have TN07. Diamond.
You know, I got a photo. Troy.
All right. And we will get in, I'll take y'all through the ARRL section here in a separate video. This is the national convention for the ARRL this year. It's got Modern Morse here. Been hanging out with Aaron some at the campsite. Morse Nexus, Flag and Torch Society. Then we get over here and kind of in the club section. Chattanooga Hamfest is in the house. Ole Miss. There's Raleigh. Raleigh Hamfest is good. HamSci, 4-wave antennas, POTA. You see Michael, that is Marvin's brother. Also the Nair booth there. Gigaparts. Gigaparts is a fantastic supporter of the channel. I'll take you through them in a separate video as well. Back here you have the youth lounge. They've had robotics and different things going on. Back here you can learn how to solder. They got a soldering station. They've got a GOTA station. Now you can see these are pretty cool. These little robots here bounce around and they do artwork. It's awesome. Every kid can have free sunglasses. That's fantastic. All right, let's get back into it. Back over here is Ham Radio Outlet. Of course, they've got about anything you need here in the house. Yaesu. FTDX 101 MP, I'd love to have one. FTDX 10, got the 991 Alpha, as well as the 710 over there. This is the flagship radio right now with the FTX 1 Optima. Well, this is the FTX 1. That's the Optima right there. The difference is one gives you 100 watts, the other one, that one's 20, I think. 10 watts. VHF and UHF stuff here. 3185, 3165, FTM 150, 310, and the 510. All the HTs. We come over through here and we have Heil. Heil makes great headsets and microphones and all kinds of great stuff like that. NZ3N key or N3ZN keys. We see them at most of these Hamfests. Then you got the sign man. They make all these signs and hats and mouse pads and all kinds of great stuff. We have Long Island CW Club. We featured them at the Orlando convention. That was a great show. Brass Knuckle Gang, URQ crew, Mike and Becky. Here's the Radiolity booth, folks. I talked about Radiolity in the video where I built my POTA kit, and this is exactly where I got my POTA kit. So you got the Zygo G90 right here. I've been telling everybody it was $325, but it's actually $350 here at the show. So really good savings if you were able to make the show to get it. So that was it, and then I got the HF10 antenna kit right there. It doesn't look like they have the demonstration out yet. I guess they may have sold them all, so that's all right. Ham Radio Deluxe software is here. And then we come back over here to the HRO section. Circling back this way, you have lightning protection systems and true ladder line antennas. AMSAT. We hear a lot about AMSAT on Amateur Radio Newsline, ARRL News, and This Week in Amateur Radio. World Radio League and Ham Radio Prep, which I remind you, the HamShackTV Hamfest Tour is fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Use coupon code for either application to get you 10% off. They're already great prices. Ella Craft. Here is Ella Craft.
No, I know how to do all that. I just want to keep it simple.
Spool tenor. Total power in the house. Don't remember who this is, but they're already gone. Your Buddy Pole with the Buddy Hex.
One guy came up to me and was like,
Paradigm Radio. Ham Threads. Maker Nova. They also have Meshtastic mesh core devices there. You see them all lined up across through there. Yes. Yep. It'll be up in a few days. Check these out. You got these distribution box, specifically built with Anderson power poles. Those are fantastic. Ham Source. Bi-NO batteries. Here's Leroy's booth, the M&L Radio Technologies booth. You can shop them online. Let me put their QR code on the camera there. Go ahead and grab that QR code. You check them out or Google M&L Radio Technology. Leroy's got a little bit of everything here. He's got some battery boxes and pliers and tools and different things. As far as radios go, Redivus, he's got that kind of thing. This is a interesting model. I've not seen this one before, the RT9000. These are also pretty cool, the mobile rigs. GMRS here. You also have the RB86 Redivus there. And then over here, got a repeater. HA2, and I love the HA2. If you want to get an HA2, get with Leroy. They've got them. FlexRadios in the house. I've shown them a million times at the big shows, Huntsville Dayton and Orlando, and that's fine. So I won't take the time for the sake of time to show that all. Rigold Technologies looks like network analyzation. Dealer Dave's here with Seed Studio, showing off all the devices.
what would it be?
We've been you saw the L2 Pro sitting there. We actually saw that at the campsite the other night. What a cool device. Laser ham. We've got Helio clock here. This is a new version of ham clock.
It's not like Windows where an update comes with an advertisement attached to it or Bible or anything like that. It's just plain like that.
Running on Pi 4, Pi 5. Geocron. That's you. Spec 5. Hollow State Designs. Got a little bit more flea market back here in the back. So, and finally Unity. I forgot about Unity's over here. So you got thermal camera and several other things. You've got oscilloscopes and all that kind of stuff. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up this edition of HamShack TV, doing it live here from Huntsville, Alabama for the Huntsville Hamfest. In the next video, you will see, we will walk through the ARRL pavilion here, as that this is the national convention for 2026. So stick around, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Go check out Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Great products on both places. We appreciate their support of HamShack TV. Stick around for the next episode. 73 for now. AA4WX, WSCB 693.